Alrighty guys, in today's video we'll be looking at adding custom shapes to your library using VinylCut 5. Just a quick intro here. So just a quick reminder, today's video and videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have quite a variety of different software we cover and we do upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program, yeah? Now, to add custom shapes, like you first obviously need to go to your library. So let's say your library is closed, then you can just simply find it by this little book with a star on it. If you click that, it'll open your library for you. Now, in order to add custom shapes, we have to first make sure we're on our shapes panel. Then, as you can see, these buttons here are kind of grayed out. That means we cannot use them. So what we want to do is we want to scroll or navigate down to the bottom to My Designs. Select that. Now you can see you're able to modify these. So the first one you can click and add a new folder. Just call this. Then you can also go shortcut to an existing folder on my computer. So if you want to select a folder with many shapes in it and import them at once, then you can also do that. Click OK. Now, see, now you see you've got the little plus. If you click that, now we can see our emoji for emojis icon. Next up, we can click on the plus here, and then it will pop us a box to find our SVG or our vector graphic. So if you just navigate to where your SVG is, select it, and you'll see under the file format type, so what it can import is SVG and SVGZ or SVGZ in any case. So then if you have that selected, you can say open, and now we can see we've got our little custom vector there. So now if we drag and drop it in, there's our little smiley. So then yeah, so that's the basic way to get it in. Like I said, it only works with SVG, and if you want to remove it, you can always right click your little graphics and you say delete, or you can also add it to your favorites like we've covered. So if you say favorites, then under your favorites you can find it as well. Then you can also for the folder, you can delete it by this little icon here, your little trash, or if there's new files in your library that you've imported, you can just click refresh there. But otherwise, you can also delete your folder if you right click here and you say delete folder. Yeah, so in any case, that is the basics on adding custom shapes to your library in VinylCut 5. So if we head to the website here, now if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You can see we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover, and also you can also search on top here for any specific videos if you do not find it. Otherwise, by the end of it, if you still can't find the video you're looking for, or it's just not on our list, you can just request a training video here and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.